From ensuring the precision of critical medical devices to powering heavy-duty industrial machinery, extension springs are essential. Have you ever wondered how these vital components are made? Let's take you inside Cook Spring, where precision and craftsmanship come together to create the springs that power our everyday life. It all starts with the selection of premium raw material. We use high-grade steel wire chosen for its strength and durability, ensuring that our springs can withstand rigorous use in a variety of applications. Once the wire is chosen, it is loaded onto an uncoiler. From there, an operator feeds the wire through a primary sensor and around the cast wheel. Then, it's ran through a set of vertical and horizontal feed rollers. While not necessary for every job, this helps keep the wire straight. From here, the operator pushes the material through the initial wire guide, then through another set of feed rollers and into the final wire guide. The operator uses a tool to help guide the material in the first loop. After clipping the unwanted excess off, they can begin running. The axial and tensioning points give the spring its helical shape, while the pitch tool determines the distance of its coils. Once the desired length is reached, the spring is grabbed by a squeeze tool, more commonly known as fingers. These transport the spring 180 degrees around the machine to a conglomerate of tools. The looper tool then clamps the ends of the coil, creating its signature hook shape. From here, the fingers rotate once more into a set of sensors where the spring is dropped into an oven. The oven then vibrates and transports the parts down where it will be collected. But we don't stop there. At Cook Spring, every spring is meticulously inspected to meet our strict quality standards. This attention to detail is what sets us apart in the industry. Thanks for joining us today to learn more about the process of making high-quality extension springs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the like button and subscribe for more insight into the world of precision spring manufacturing. Got any questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and when precision matters, Cook delivers.